Hey guys, this is John Brandenburg, and this is my discussion video for Project Management and Assessment 3. So let's get into it. So our first question is, looking back, what have we learned about web-based applications? Well, first off, I learned that they're pretty cool, but not easy to put together. Over the last couple of months, between SDI and Visual Frameworks and MIU, there was a lot of work that went into putting my app together. And it's not done yet. It works, but it's definitely not done. And but it's a lot of work, and it's pretty cool. We haven't done any of our specialty coding yet. We haven't done Objective-C, anything like that. But I do have a program that I put together that works. That's really cool. So the mobile web is definitely a way to get things out a little bit quicker than developing for devices specifically. Why is learning about web-based mobile applications valuable? Well, it helps you to figure out who your user base is. Because with a web-based application, it's a lot different than a native application, because a native application, you only have that one group of users that you can reach for, whether it be Android or iOS. Or BlackBerry or Windows Phone, whatever the case may be. But with a web-based application, anybody with a web browser is able to use it. So you're able to get a greater audience, and then maybe you can see who your users are, and then actually develop a native application for that group of users. So, do I have an example of web-based applications that I use? I don't really use that many. One of the ones that I use is the mobile version of Craigslist. You can take a look. It's a lot different than the regular interface on the web, and it does work like a mobile app, where when you open up a listing, instead of loading a whole new page, it just gives it a nice accordion drop down, and then you can close it back up. And then you have that, and then probably the other example that I would use is that ESPN.com works just like a mobile app, a mobile web app, where you've got your drop-down menus and all the different tabs, and you've got your scrolling areas and all sorts of stuff. So that's about stuff like that. It's probably the only web apps that I actually use. But I use them all the time. I check them daily. Alright guys, so this has been good. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you guys in class.